Right, so as some of you guys might know or remember, I don't know, I had to take off my exhaust last year or so to go on an adventure to the DMV, or what we call them here, Statens vegvesen, to get my bike checked out because of some complaints. This is my acropovic pipe, and as you can see, it's very dirty in it. So this is the thing that I bought. I researched and I saw a lot of guys use this thing called haptic in the UK, and I was like, oh, this dishwashing or whatever that was, I don't want to use that. So I went to the Dr. Downpipe. So yeah, I'm gonna be testing this out. This is the Christmas package, I think. It's very neatly wrapped. So let's open this up and see what's inside. In the gift set that I ordered, you get 2 microfiber cloths, the spray bottle and cleaning pads. Though if you want to save £3, you can opt for the regular set, which does not include the microfiber cloths. Since my exhaust was already disassembled and ready for cleaning, I used some rope to hang them from a stand for easy 360 access. Now, just a side note, I already tried cleaning this link pipe with WD-40 and brake cleaner with no real luck. That's why it already looks a bit better than the downpipes. Now watch carefully how aggressively Dr. Downpipe goes to work. On the bottle it says to wait up to 1 minute to let the solvent work properly after spraying. After 1 minute has passed, you can start rubbing the pipe with the provided cleaning pads, and I ended up spraying and rubbing 3 times before I rinsed it off with plenty of water. And then of course I dried it off with one of the microfiber cloths after that. After feeling satisfied with the link pipe, I moved on to do the exact same process with the downpipes. Only this time I repeated the process 5 times instead of 3.
Alright, I think I'm gonna try to focus a little bit more on the headers, just to see if I can get them even cleaner and as clean as the rest of the pipe.
Then I'm also going to use a new pad just to see if that will have a better effect. Now, to be honest, I'm actually kind of impressed over this. If you see this and how freaking shiny it is right now, I mean, it's not perfect, right? You've got like these kind of artifacts, I guess, over here and under here as well, but it's freaking much better than what it was. And I think I'm done with the cleaning as of right now. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna try to polish it up a little bit with metal polish and see if that does anything. I'll do it to this one first because that is the pipe that is the least visible of the 2 that I do have. So yeah, let's go polish this and see if that does anything at all.
I guess if I want to get rid of like all of these marks right here, I'll have to sand it down with some very fine paper. But I'm not gonna do that. This works for me as of right now. I also did this part right here, sprayed very carefully, and as you can see, that has actually turned out quite nice too.
I have to say, I am really impressed with Dr. Downpipe and how well it cleaned my exhaust. Before I actually bought it, I was watching and reading about numerous positive experiences with Dr. Downpipe, but I still thought it must be too good to be true. But now, it's honestly and probably the closest thing I've come to buying magic in a bottle. After spraying the link pipe 3 times and the downpipe 5 times, I still have about 2/3 of the bottle left. To get an even better result, you'd probably have to sand it down somehow to get rid of all the black marks completely. Now, I want you to keep in mind that this is the first time I've done something like this, and I am probably the furthest thing you can get from a professional in this area. I'm just a guy that bought something I found on the internet and documented my experience. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.